BMW LED door projectors are available as an accessory, and you can easily install them yourself on your BMW equipped with entry door lights. The new projectors have the BMW logo design installed by default. An additional BMW M logo design is included. A further projector slide package with BMW M Performance designs is available. If you want to exchange the slide insert, remove the light panel by turning it a quarter of a turn anti-clockwise. Then take out the lens cluster and pull it apart. Now you can replace the slide insert with another one with the top side facing up. Push the lens cluster back together and insert it back into the door projector. Close it again by twisting the light panel onto the opening. The lens with the slide insert can be rotated by 360 degrees to adjust the image. To install the BMW LED door projectors, the original entry door lights need to be removed. Use a screwdriver to remove the light from the door and unplug it. Depending if the plug in your BMW points towards the rear or the front, the installation direction of the projector differs. Plug the new projector into the corresponding door connector and then press it into place, hooking the leading edge in first. Repeat this process for the other doors. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.